Hello! Welcome to our channel. We're the Foodie Youngster. Today we're gonna make the most ultimate, delicious cheesecake. Yummy in my tummy. You're gonna put in some graham cracker crumbs in your mixing bowl. And now the melted butter. Okay. Come out. Okay, now I put it in the butter. Mix well. Pass something like this. Put it into the all evenly spread out. Time to pop it in the refrigerator. It's time to make the filling. Now mix it. Put the sour cream in the bowl, part by part. Add the eggs one by one. Mix it. Time to add the sweet sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Pour the filling into the pan. Now is the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. I'm ready. It's so good. This is the best cake I ever ate. Cheesecake is the best cake. Yum. This is the best. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!